Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to continue to showing you how to model this ME-262. We're going to do the canopy here, and then we're going to work on the horizontal stabs. But first, I'd like to invite you to join my Patreon site. There you will see what I am modeling and building for my YouTube channel. You'll see it before I even post it on my YouTube channel. You'll be able to vote on what models you would like to see me model, and I will model the airplanes and post how I did it. Also, you'll be able to vote on which aircraft that you would like to see me model for my YouTube channel, and I'll go ahead and model those and get them posted also. And also, I will also help you model any airplane that you have that you want modeled. I'll help you do that as much as I can, and and also try to help you build the model as well and fly it and so forth. But yeah, so let's say you want to model an F-35. I will help you model that F-35 also and provide all the information at my hands that's available. Also, you will have at your availability all the models that I do design. You'll be able to get the F3D files from me as being a member of my Patreon site also. And also, there will be some planes on there that I modeled that I am not going to post on my YouTube site also. So those planes will be available to you also. So yeah, so have a look at that and go ahead and join up for that. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the videos and stuff like that. It really helps the channel grow. But anyway, let's get started on this ME-262. Okay, the canopy here is what we're going to work on. So what I need to do first here is turn the canvases on. Okay. Now what I want to do, I just want to make a plane right here, an offset plane. Now you don't have to do that, but I'm just going to do that. I could just use this front plane and then move the canopy back here, but I'm just going to do a plane here. So I come up here to construct, offset plane, and this is the plane here that I want to offset. And I move this back about right there is good, and click OK. Now I want to draw on this plane here. So, but I want to use a form. I want to put a form on there. So I go up here to create form, and I'm going to use a cylinder. I'm going to click cylinder and click this plane to draw on. And since I'm sort of at an angle, I want to see the front. Okay. Now, cylinder here, I'm just imagining the cylinder through here like this, and then the center of it. Turn the origin on here because we want to. And about right there. Stretch it out to there. And turn my lines on, Control 6. Drag this back. And I want to add more height faces to this. And 6 looks good. And come down here to mirror. And we want width symmetry. And click OK. Now we have this. And what I'm doing here is just try to match this through here. And do the same with the top. And as we can see, this doesn't match up on the sides here. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can go ahead and move the canvas, or just match up to one side if you want to. But what I'm going to do here is just move the canvas a little. But as I look at this, I'm not going to move the canvas because this form here is pretty much matched up with the top already. So I'll just leave that alone and come back here and try to match it up as best as I can, but only use one line. Don't try to match it up on both sides. Okay, let's have a look and see what it looks like now. I'll turn off the canvas here so I have a look. Okay, that's not too bad. Turn the canvases on so I have a front look of it. Now we can see it's just a little too round, so I'm going to bring the top up just a little. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, it says this has failed to convert. Let's have a look at it. And the front here is the problem. So let's have a look. We cut this body off. And we can see in the back is the problem right here. As you can see back here, these two lines crossed over each other. And the fusion won't allow that. Okay. That should have corrected that problem. And it did. Go ahead and turn the canvases off here. Okay. Looking better. Now what I'll do is bring this down. So we go back here, edit. Edit form. Bring this down. Look at the side view. Turn the canvases back on. Okay. Go ahead and click OK here. And what I'm going to do is move this whole canopy down. So select the whole thing, or let's see, let me finish this first. Finish form. And I'm going to do it this way from over here. And select OK. Turn the canvases off. And we have this so far. Okay, this looks pretty good, but I don't like this in the back here. So what I'm going to do here is a little more to it. So left click down here, right click, edit. And I want to widen this a little more. Widen this a little. And bring it down. And let's see, the canvas is back on. Okay. And stretch this out a little. And select the whole thing. And if you know this three views that I'm using are not the greatest three views because as you can see right here, this is the airplane on the side. Then you look at it on the top and everything lines up here from the front. Then you look here at the canopy and now it's not lined up um, from the top to the side. But we'll just make do with what we have here and continue working. All right. Go ahead and turn the canvases off again. See what we have. Turn this origin off. Turn the canvases back on. Now these need to be a little straighter and not as round as much. So come up here. And what we can do is take this, edit form, and rotate it out just a little bit. Then I can click here, move this a little. Okay, that's better. And click OK. Finish form. Okay. And that's better. Cut the lines off with Control 4. Okay, that's what we have so far. And what you're going to have to do is just continue working um, with the canopy to get it to exactly how you like it. And I just showed you how to do all that, the to modify it and everything, and how to do that. But that's what we have so far, and that looks pretty good. Okay, now what we're going to do is work on the horizontal stab here. So let me turn the canvases back on. And I want to draw a line here on this, right through here to here. So come up here to create sketch, draw that on the plane here. And I'm going to draw a line, so L for line, and start it here and draw it back to about here. And click OK. Look at that from the top. Go ahead and finish. Sketch. Turn the sketches back on. Now I want to move this line. It looks like I got another line there already. See if I can turn that line off. And I'm just moving this line to the front of here. So imagine this coming through here. And then I'm moving this one in the back. Let me turn these bodies off. Move this to about here. So imagine this coming across here. Okay. Now I want to put a plane at an angle on this line here. So come up here to construct, plane at an angle, and use this line here. And 0 degrees is fine. And click OK. Now, I don't have an airfoil for this airplane, so if you do have an airfoil, go ahead and insert the airfoil by using the canvas. It'll come up to insert and click canvas, and then insert it from your computer, and then select the plane, which would be the let's see, let me turn origins back on, which would be this plane right here, what you want to put it on, and then you just trace it. But what I'm going to do is just draw an arbitrary airfoil here. It's nothing scale or anything like that. And just to show you how to do this. So use this plane here. Fit point spline. And okay, draw a line from here to the back and click OK. And then I want to mirror this line on the top. So I'll come up here to mirror. Now this is the mirror symbol here, or you can come down here and use mirror here. But since we have it here, just click that. And this line here is what we want to mirror. And the mirror plane is this bottom line here. And click OK. Now we have that. Go ahead, finish sketch. And this is the plane I want to draw on next. So I click the plane and come up here to create sketch and click on that. And this center line here is what I want to project. So hit the letter P and project this line here, center line, and click OK. And we want to be on top plane. Okay. Now I want the line command, L for line, from here down to here. Another L on line from here to here. And click OK. I'll go ahead and finish sketch. Come over here to create, and we want to sweep. Change this to path and guide rail, and this to full extents. And the profile I want to use is this, and the path, this, and guide rail, this. And click OK. And we turn the bodies back on, and as you can see, we have that. Turn the canvases off here so we have a better look at it. There. And turn the canvases on and have a quick look at something. Okay, that's fine. Now, what we want to do, go back to the top, turn the canvases back on. Now this portion right here, need to cut this out. And to do that, come up here to create sketch. We want to sketch on this plane here. Turn this back around. Turn this body off. And turn that body off too. Now, going to draw a line from here, here, to here. And go ahead and finish sketch. Now we want to split this body. So we come up to modify, split body. This is the body we want to split. And the splitting tool will be this, and click OK. Then we find this piece over here in the bodies and turn that off. Next, what I want to do is draw the tip of that stab now, this here. So select it, what I want to draw on, and come up here to create sketch on that plane. Hit the letter P for project. I'm going to project this and click OK. Next, we want a line from here to here. So L for line, here, here, and click OK. And we have the two halves here. And go ahead and finish sketch. In that last construction plane that we had, which is this one, I want to draw on that. So click that and create sketch. And we want to project the center line here. So P for project that line and click OK. Use a fit point spline. And that's what we have. And go ahead and finish sketch. Now here, next we want to loft this to this and click OK. And we want to do the same thing to the bottom. Go ahead and turn the canvases off and the sketches and turn those two bodies back on. And that's what we have so far. I'm going to pull this out a little here. So I come back down to here. My lines are off, turn them on again. And I'm going to pick this spot right here and pull that out. That's too much. And this again. And see what we have now. Okay. And that's what we have so far. And that's going to do it for this video. And like you said, you're going to have to play around more with the shapes to get this 100% how you like it. And if you have a plastic model of it or something like that, so you can see it, you can really get it to shape. So yeah, but the next video will be the third and final of this for the ME-262 here. And what I'm going to do there is just do the wing and the engine for you. And I'm going to play around with this canopy some more. And my next video, I'll show you more of how to get this the shape here a lot more correct too. So that's going to do it for this video. And if you're new here again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Check out my Patreon site as well. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and comment below. And by commenting and liking and hitting that subscribe button, it really helps the channel grow. So we'll catch you in the next video. Talk to you later.
Subscribe for more.